Sorry, the we are with the part 2. I'm showing you the easy and best gigs you can perform online and convert them to your earning source. I'm going to teach you how you can make thumbnail for your client. You can have online tools or let me show you. If we search make YouTube thumbnails, you can see here the first one is Canva, suggested by the Google. But there are many websites from where you can free make thumbnails. I'll also suggest you the canva.com. Canva.com is the easiest website or tools you can make thumbnail or many other things. You can have the first one free pro subscription, or you can go with the free account. You can make easy thumbnails for YouTube. Just go here and we'll search for the YouTube thumbnail. Like here, just click on that. We'll see, you can see here the lot of thumbnails already. Templates, just have to edit or modify them to make your own thumbnail. We'll search for the best one thumbnail we can find for our client. We'll see here. Just select any of the thumbnail you like, and simply here you can um, add modify the fonts or the text you want. Can manage the size, you can add the stickers elements. You can minimize, adjust anything you want. You can add more things, or if you want change color. Here there are a lot of options you'll find here. Simply after that process, go if you have set up your thumbnail according to the client details, then go to share and download and with the client name, and simply go Fiverr where you get order and give it to your client. You just have to find a skill and then offer that skill to various platforms. Like Fiverr.com is the first one. We'll see the next is Upwork. You can also for the same service here, and you can there is a mistake in the typing. You can provide your services here. you'll get a very best revenue. There are more websites like Guru dot Guru freelancing website, guru.com, and there are more. I'll suggest you first one go with the Fiverr, freelancer.com, Guru. After that, if you getting orders and have some revenue, then go to the Upwork. Hope you friends like this video, and you can now go to sorry now you can start make money by freelancing. You just have to here and simple for search type text to audio or video. You can see here you have to find the simply gigs you can provide online. The in this gig the client will give you a text. Just go here, search any AI tool, will type here for text to audio. Here you can see there are many AI tools. Simply you can use them to convert the text to video or voice or any templates type video, and then simply go give it to your client. Simply the order is complete. There are many simple tasks you can perform. For more videos for informative gigs, please like this channel, like this video, subscribe channel, and leave a good comment.